dark circles. I don't make false promises. But this recipe that I bring to you is tried and tested and works like magic on your under-eye dark circles. Now, because my work is such that I have to be in front of the screen the entire day, the entire night, and on top of it, I don't sleep well. As a result, I have developed really bad under-eye dark circles. And I have been struggling to find something that would help calm the stress and tension that I'm carrying under my eyes. My eyes all the time looks and feels tired. And over-the-counter creams work up to a certain extent, but they don't entirely help me get rid of my dark circles. So I took things in my hand and developed this recipe which has been working wonders for my dark circles. In this video, I have decoded how to get rid of or at least reduce dark circles to a fair amount so that your eyes look and feel rested. The best part about this DIY is that it is very effective, it is very calming, soothing and relaxing. The DIY that I bring to you will help you reduce your under-eye puffiness and will help your eyes look more awake and will considerably reduce your dark circles. Now we work with a few key ingredients here which have been proven to have immense benefits on your dark circles like coffee, flaxseed gel and milk. Now for the first recipe, we start by taking a cup of water. We add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and 2 teaspoons of honey and we mix this. Once done, we take cotton rounds and dunk them in the coffee mix, let them soak all the coffee goodness and transfer them in an old jar like this. Your instant under-eye coffee patches are ready. That was quick, right? Now we move on to our second recipe, which is a bit similar to our first one. We take a cup of milk and add 2 tablespoons of rose water to it. That is it. I take some cotton rounds and nicely soak them in this milk and then transfer them in a container like this. I have been a regular user of these eye patches, especially because they are so easy to make that whenever I would get less sleep or my eyes would feel hurt because of excess screen or strain, I would instantly make either of these patches and put them on and lie down and then wake up feeling refreshed, because when you put these patches on your eyes, they feel quite chilly, which helps in relaxing your eye nerves. Make use of the milk and rose eye patches in 10 days, otherwise they will go bad. The coffee ones relatively have a longer shelf life because firstly, there's no milk involved, and secondly, honey acts as a great preservative, thus extending their shelf life. Pop these in the fridge as soon as you make them so that whenever you want to use them, your eye patches feel chilly and relaxing. Now, we alter our recipe a bit and make it even more potent and effective. Now, collagen is very important for our skin. We all know this. And our skin loses collagen as we age, which gives an appearance of baggy skin, pigmented skin, and we wear an overall tired look on our face. So what do we do to replenish that? We introduce collagen in our DIY. And how are we going to do that? By introducing gelatin in our under-eye patches. Now for all of you who are vegetarians or vegans, agar powder is a brilliant substitute for you, which is derived from a plant and gives similar result to a gelatin. So starting off our DIY, we repeat the coffee recipe wherein we put 1 cup of water and add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and we put 1 tablespoon of gelatin in our mix. You get gelatin or agar powder like this in a sachet, which is equivalent to 1 tablespoon. So you pour all the contents of the sachet in the coffee mix and give it a nice mix and hop this in the microwave for a minute or 2 to get hot. Take out the mixture and mix everything nicely so that the gelatin gets nicely mixed in the coffee water. Now we take a few cotton rounds and cut them in half. Or you could cut your cotton rounds in this curvature shape, which has more coverage and sticks better. Take a plate and distribute your cotton patches evenly, making sure that they are not sitting on top of each other, and spread the coffee gelatin mixture evenly on every cotton patch and let them soak in the goodness of this mixture that we've just made and hop them in the fridge to cool down and take shape and become firmer. Now, while your eye patches are resting in the fridge, we'll create another recipe. Now, time to play with some flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which helps in keeping your under eye area moisturized and healthy. Now, for this recipe, we take 1 cup of water and we add 1 sachet of gelatin or agar powder. And then we put in 2 tablespoons of flaxseed gel to this. I microwave this mix for a minute, take out the mix, give it a nice stir until my gelatin is nicely dissolved. I again cut up some cotton rounds in a plate, nicely distribute them and pour my flaxseed mix over my cotton eye patches. I refrigerate this batch also. Now onto our third and the last recipe. We take potatoes. Potatoes are your friend if you want to get rid of pigmentation. Just take a medium-sized potato like this, peel it and grate it. Now take out the potato juice by squeezing out the grated potato. Now this what you see settled in the base is called as potato starch. And this is the thing which helps in getting rid of your pigmentation. Now take the juice of 1 potato along with the starch and add 1 cup of water to it and add 1 tablespoon of gelatin or agar powder. Now here I am using agar powder for demonstration. Now I add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed gel. I nicely mix this and microwave this for a minute. Now this will be clumpier as compared to the other patches that we've made because of the potato, because this mixture has got high amount of potato starch in it. So it's cooked and becomes swollen and the potato starch tends to thicken up, that's why. Now because this mixture isn't too runny, instead of pouring this mixture onto our cotton rounds, what we'll do is we'll cut our cotton rounds in half and piece by piece dip the cotton in this mix and gently place them on a plate. Once all my patches are ready, I'm going to hop this in the fridge as well. Once all your eye patches have been cooled and settled, take them out from the fridge and they look like this. They do not stick to the plate. You trace a line along the cotton and pick them up. Transfer all your eye patches in a jar like this. You can also make gel eye patches using the remaining mix. Spread the coffee gelatin mix and flaxseed gelatin mix over a plate and place it in the fridge to cool down. Take out the plate once the gelatin has become firm and cut it in the shape of an eye patch. You can place a butter paper or a cling film underneath so that it is easy to pull it out. These gel patches are reusable and very effective. You just made yourself reusable under eye patches which will actually work. You see, these eye patches are firm yet malleable. These take the shape of your eyes. These are all the answers to your dark circles related queries. Using them each time is like a spa for your eyes. They feel so relaxing on your eyes and they actually work. You do not have to apply any under eye cream or anything fancy to reduce your dark circles. Just take out a chilling patch from the fridge and place it under your eye. You can use these while watching a movie, while studying, while using your laptop, while taking a nap. These in fact help you sleep better because they relax your eye muscles and make you feel at ease, which helps in you sleeping better and quicker. And 2 great things about these eye patches are that they do not fall off, they are quite malleable and take on the shape of the surface they are placed on, and they are reusable unlike the one-time eye patches which you purchase from the market. They all do the same work and I would say these rather work better than those market-bought ones. These feel luxurious and calming. Try this DIY and let me know how it worked out for you. Follow me on my Instagram handle Priyanka Mehra Official for an insight on my life, product reviews and other fun stuff. I post there regularly. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You guys stay happy and stay safe. Bye.